Okay. Ventral surface, dorsal surface. This is the fourth ventricle. Okay, fourth ventricle, and this is the floor of fourth ventricle. Okay. The dorsal surface of the brainstem at the floor of the fourth ventricle. Here, this is the superior cerebellar peduncle. Huh? Midbrain. This is the midbrain. This is the superior cerebellar peduncle. This is the middle cerebellar peduncle, and this is the pyramid. This is the olive. Huh? This is the pyramid. This is the olive. This. Huh? This is the olive, and this is the inferior cerebellar peduncle. Inferior cerebellar peduncle. Okay. Middle cerebellar peduncle, superior cerebellar peduncle. The pons. This is the
olive.
পিরামিড
এটার নাম কি?
মেডুলা
মেডুলা। আমি ওটাই জানতে চাইছি। And this is the superior cerebellar peduncle. Superior cerebellar peduncle. On both sides. এদিকটা কাটা পড়ে গেছে। Okay. And now, what is this? This artery.
Posterior cerebral.
This is the posterior cerebral artery. Okay. Here, presence of basilar artery. Basilar artery here from the two posterior cerebral artery. Okay. And here formation of circle of Willis. Circle of Willis. আগের দিন বলেছিলাম। আচ্ছা দেখ এবার